All right, guys, here's your BTC nightly update. It is 6:41 on Thursday, February 19th. Like we said in the live this morning, right, we had come out of this and broken down this level right here. This is the bottom trend line of that big bear flag on the daily. Once we broke this level at 68,601, very likely that we were going to come down to this next diagonal trend line, which we are doing right now at 64,909. If we come down to this level and we hit the 64,909, we are actually and bleed this level to the downside, we are actually breaking an M pattern here. Here's one hump of the M. Here's the second hump of the M right here. This target actually goes below this next support at 59,182. If we break that down, your next level to watch here for support is actually 60,041. Guys, that's also the end of this wick right here. This is where the buyers came in the last time. If we do get down here and they do not step in the way that they did before, very, very likely we are breaking that bear flag down and we are coming down to lower prices. Our first lower price that we would come down to is around 56K. That would be the level to break after we break this main support and that wick. That is your first level to be looking at. Here's your levels to the upside, guys. I will say RSI and the Stokes are getting overheated here, right? We are looking like we want to slump over a little bit. Let me just pull this out for you. See the slumpage around the Stokes right here on the yellow part? This usually tells me that the move is getting weak. We also have the RSI now pointed to the downside. RSI 6 looks like it wants to push through the 12 and the 24 to the downside, guys. That is not a bullish scenario. However, the 1 hour does want to pop us up, and so does the 8 hour, although the 12 hour and the 24 look like they want to come down, as well as the daily. And so what we are looking at here is a mixture of time frames, right? Remember that the higher time frames are weighted more than the lower time frames. So if you have more higher time frames looking like they want to come down, more than likely they're going to push everything down. Same with the upside. If they are heavily weighted and they are pointing to the upside, they could push us up as well. We're going to give you both bull and bear scenario. We have a busy day tomorrow. Let's take a look at the higher targets. Here we go. Guys, we do have a little tiny W pattern right here that could break us up and out. We need to get up and over 67,296. Then we can make it to this target right here at 68,346, and then to this diagonal trend line right here. If we make it over 69,046, a very, very good chance we're making a run at the bottom of this bear flag at 71,719. Just want to be clear about one thing, guys. If we do not make it over 71,719 and we don't hold it there, very, very likely we are just coming up here to bearishly retest this pattern and roll over and come down. Why? Because if we can't